ಬಾಲ್ಯಮುಂದೆನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿನ ವಾಡು ಮುಗಳಚ್ಚಿ ಪೀಲ್ನ ಚೆಡು போயிவத்தோன பிரீத்தி மரப கூற ஸ்வாமி முகடச்சி பீல சேடு போயிவத்தோன பிரீத்தி மரப கூற ஸ்வாமி முகடச்சி பேலச்சேடு போயிவத்துட பிரீத்தி மரப கூற ஸ்வாமி முகடச்சி இல்லச்சேடு போயிவத்தோட பிரீத்தி மரப கூற ஸ்வாமி.
Yeah. You got it?
I'm still
Figuring out. There's one of them is, like Mugudachi, he's saying, come quickly, they're saying. So I have to go. So one is, I'll go and come back quickly. The other one is, they're saying, Pilachedu. They're saying, so I'll go and come back. Okay, I'll come back. It's a very intimate thing. But even those subtle expressions only he understands. Nobody else will understand. So that in that context, once they malpitya, I do shagada.
okay.
Yeah, we'll fix it. Yeah.
ಬಾಲ್ಯಮುಂದೆನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿನ ವಾಡು ಮುಗಡಚ್ಚಿ ಪೇಲಚೇಡು போயிவத்துன பிரீತಿ மரப கூற ஸ்வாமி முகடச்சி பிலச்சேடு போயிவத்துன பிரீತಿ மரப கூற
Remember.
Swami Mugachi Pillachidu Poi Vatune Priti Marabakura Swami முகடச்சி பேலச்சேடு போயிவத்தோட பிரீத்தி மரப கூற ஸ்வாமி.
Good. This is better. This is much, much better. The more you do, the more you'll be able to fix the hands and then get the right emotion at the right time. To get the emotion at the right time. Because, as has often been said, even if you fix everything, there's that X factor, which is the spontaneity, and you have to be spontaneous.
Correct, yeah.
So you have to allow for that little spontaneity to come in. while doing the padam and getting completely immersed and engrossed in the character of it. Yeah. But then you can do that only if if you do the fixing of the hands and the emotions to be able to transcend that vocabulary and do it. Okay, today we'll take up the charana of the padam we were doing, and I'll tell you how to go about doing the charana choreography for a charana like this. The item is with you. Rama, words ಹೇಳಿ please. భాను పద్మము వల దూర ముందినో ఏమి నీ పాదారవిందు నా చిత్తము ధ్యానము వేరే లేఖ నీవే దైవము పని దలచి యుందును గాని ధైర్యము విడువలు. Okay, so like the sun and the lotus, even if we are far away, what is the problem? We'll think of each other. Okay, your feet, dhyana of your feet will always be in my mind, and chittamu in my heart, actually in my heart. Dhyanamu, I won't have any other thought but you, vere nothing else is in my mind. Neeve daivamu ani, you are always the only God for me. You're the basically what she's saying is that your thought will always be with me. The thought of you will always be with me. Okay, and because I think like this, dalachi yundunagani, since I'm always thinking about you, meditating about you, since I'm always with you, my dhairya, the confidence, my self-confidence, my fearlessness, I'll always keep with me. So even if I'm going, don't think I'm going afraid. I'm not going to be afraid because you are in my heart. So I'll have that, fearlessness. I'm not afraid to go. I'll go. Unknown person she's going with, no?
That's right.
So she's normally you have to be fearful or going with an unknown person. She's saying no, I won't be afraid because you are with me. I know that you are with me, and that like the sun and the moon, we are connected. When sun and the lotus, we are connected. And because of that connection between you and me, and the fact that I'm always thinking about you, I will always be thinking about you, I will never be afraid. Dhairyam viduvani, I will never give up my dhairya. That is basically what the charana says. So will you do it first, and then I will show you how to do it, because I've taught you the entire context of the song.
I'll try.
And I've told you how to contextualize it. So if you can do the charana 2-3 times, I mean do Bhanu Padmamu twice, do Ni Padara Vindu twice, do Dhyanamu Veru Lekha twice, and Dalachi twice. So for 2 times, if you can each line twice, yeah. If you can do, then it will get into your thought process as to what you're trying to do. Okay.
Bhanu Padmamu Vala Duramudina Yami Bhanu Padmamu Vala Duramudina Yami Nipadaravindu Nachitamu Nipadaravindu Nachitamu Dhyanamo veru lekha nive daivamani Dhyanamo veru lekha nive daivamani Dalachi yundunu gani dhairyamu viduvalu Dalachi yundunu ಗರಿ ಧೈರ್ಯವೋ ಬಿಡುವಡಚಿ ಪಿಲಚೆದು ಪೋಯಿವತೂನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮರವ ಕೂರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Very good. Very good. You were able to do it. I only have a few suggestions for you. So when you do, there's one literal translation. So, Bhanu Padma Vala Dura. You show the distance. Dura Vundana Ema. Second time, you can do, for instance, that I am the lotus, I am like the lotus, and I will bloom only if you bloom. So if you are not there, I am also not there. The sun is not there, lotus fades away. So like the lotus fading, when the sun sets, I'll also fade away if you're not there with me. That's an idea that can be done for the second time. So there's no repetition of the same hands of the distance, of Bhanu and Padma. The second one is that Ni Padara Bindu. So to your lotus feet, Na Chittamu, I will always be thinking about you. You did. Okay? The second time also you did the same thing, and then you offered flowers. No, I was trying to tell you, you have lotus feet. To your lotus feet, I will offer my lotus heart.
Okay.
I'm not offering flowers. Okay? So to your lotus feet, Nipadara Vinda, my lotus heart is at your lotus feet. So and then Dhyanamu Veruleka. So Dhyanamu for a married woman, what is it? She will not sit in meditation. She doesn't have time. She's a householder. She's a man. So she's saying that I'm, Dhyanamu Veruleka, I will be doing rangoli, probably I'll be fetching water and holding it. Whatever I'm doing, it's always your thought that will keep me going in my life. So whatever else I'm doing in my life, I'll be motivated and guided by only your thought. So otherwise,
she'll be going about her domestic life.
Yeah. So her dhyana is not sitting in meditation. She'll never have time for that. She has a husband, she'll have in-laws, she'll have so many things happening in her life. So while doing the household chores, whatever I'm doing, whether I'm washing clothes, whether I'm drawing water, whether I'm carrying water, whether I'm putting rangoli, that 1 second I'll think about you, and I'll feel happy because you're there, Dalachi, in my heart and thinking about you. And because you're in my heart and I have that experience of your love, I'll always be confident and I'll not give up my pride. I will never be, lost in samsara. I will never be lost in this whole world of relationships, because you are my God and you're the only one and only God. So I will never go in losing myself, and I'll always have my confidence. That is the crux of the poetry. So try and do that now. Try and bring that out. These variations.
Bhanu Padma Movala Dura Mudina Yami Bhanu Padma Movala Dura Mudina Yami Bhanu Padma Dura Mudina Yami Bhanu.
Do it again. No, do that. No, Bhanu. You are the sun. Do that again.
Okay.
You couldn't. And I'm the lotus.
Dura Mudina Yami Nipadara Vindu Nachi చీతను నీ పదరవిందు నా చిత్తము ధ్యానమో వేరలేక నీవే దైవమని నాకు ధ్యానమో వేరు లేక నీవే దైవమని ధ్యానమో వేరు లేక నీవే దైవమని ధ్యానమో వేరు లేక నీవే దైవమని దలచి యుడను గని ధైర్యము వేడు వలు దలచి యుడను గని ధైర్యము వేడు వలు మొగడచి పేలచెడు పోయి బతున ప్రీతి మరవకు స్వామి స్వామి స్వామి
Very good. Really good. Very good. You want to stand up and do this? That part? Fix your movements. Very good.
This mobile.
ಮೊದಲಿಂದ
Huh.
ಅದು ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಹಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
The whole piece.
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಧ್ಯಾನವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲೇಖ ಯು ಸಿಂಗ್ 4 times ಅಲ್ವಾ
Because you can do other things for that.
ಹಾಂ
And when she's drawing water, then she suddenly thinks about Krishna, something. Then she, yeah, and then she draw it again. So she's wearing a sari, and then someone calls her and she goes away, and then she realizes, oh, someone's touched her. Oh, but I don't even have a blouse because I was thinking about her.
like
That kind of a thing, you know. That she's lost in that 1 second because, and she says, but because I have you in me, I'm not afraid. I won't give up my ಧೈರ್ಯ.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ತದರಿ
Entry. ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ತದರಿ
ಸೊಗಸು ಗಾಢ.
ತದರಿ ತದರಿ
ಇತ್ಲ ಕಡೆ
ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗ ತದರಿನ ಸುಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ನಾದು ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಸೊಗಸುಗಾಡ ಸುಗುಣ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಉದನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಟ್ಟಿಡಬಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಉದನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಟ್ಟಿಡಬಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಉದನು ಏನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಡೇನವಡು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ಮುಡನು ಏನು ಬಟ್ಟು ಗಡೇನವಡು ಮುಗಡಚ್ಚಿ ಪೇಲ ಚೆಡು போய்வத்தூர பிரீதி மரபக்கும் சாமி முகடச்சி பேல சேடு போய்வத்தூர பிரீதி மரபக்கூர சுவாமி முகடச்சி பேல சேடு போய்வத்தூர பிரீதி மரபக்கூர சுவாமி முகடச்சி பிளச்சீடு போய்வத்தூர பிரீதி மரவ கூற சுவாமி भानु पद्ममोवल दूर मुडिनयमि भानु पद्ममोवल दूर मुडिनयमि निपादारविन्दु नाचितनु నీ పాదారవిందు నా చేత ధ్యానమో వేరులే నీవే దైవము నీ ధ్యానమో వేరులేక నీవే దైవము నీ ధ్యానమో వేరులేక నీవే దైవము నీ ధ్యానమో వేరు లేక నీవే దైవము నీ దలచి యుందెను గది ధైర్యము వేడువలు దలచి యుండెను గది ధైర్యము వేడువలు మొగడచి పేల చేరు పోయి బతున ప్రీతి మరవకూర స్వామి మరవకూర స్వామి మరవకూర స్వామి
Good. Good. ಬೇರೆ ಐಟಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ವ ಇನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಂತೆ
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆ